Hello my sweet friends, welcome to Coffee with Nadia and welcome to the first ever Nadia's Farmhouse Friday Open Collab. I'm so excited that you're here. Today I'm going to be doing a rustic farmhouse tablescape with roosters. This is going to be so much fun. My co-host for this collab is the very talented Glamour Ellen. Her tablescapes and home decor is so gorgeous. Her style is glam, but she can decorate in any style. Her tablescapes have so many themes. It's just stunning. So please check her out. I will link her channel in the description box below along with the playlist. When you're done watching this video, hit the playlist link so you can see all the other decorators and what they did in their home in a farmhouse theme. Now, let's get started with our tablescape. I'm going to get started with these placemats. They're a set of 4 and I got them for $12.99 and Home Goods. Next, I'm going to be using these chargers from Hobby Lobby. I wanted to show you a little bit of the detail in these chargers. They're just this gorgeous sage green, and they do have a little bit of a rustic detail here on the inside, and of course a little bit on the outside of them. Next, I'm going to be using these red plates from the Dollar Tree. Next, I have these salad plates, and these are Pioneer Women salad plates. And I know that my table setting right now kind of looks Christmassy, but here's what I'm trying to accomplish. I need the red to bring out the red in the roosters, and I need the green to kind of tame it down. Now, don't forget, this is a sage green. This is not a bright Christmassy green. This is a very farmhouse kind of muted green. So it's going to work out all together at the end. You will see. For my napkins, I'm going to be using this set of 6 Calicut napkins. They are 100% cotton, and I absolutely loved this kind of light brown fabric and kind of beige, I would call it, but it's so beautiful. For my napkin rings, I'm going to be using these beauties. I got these on Amazon, and how gorgeous and beautiful are they? To keep it simple, I'm just going to grab my napkin and roll it sideways and just put my little napkin ring right on there, and I'm just going to keep it like that. Very simple and very clean. We're going to finish off the cutlery and the glasses at the end, but right now we're going to get started on the centerpiece. I'm starting with 2 of these hula skirts from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to try to put them towards the end of the table. In the center, I'm going to put in this crate, and I'm going to put it upside down, but because there's kind of like holes in there, and it's going to show kind of the endings right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some greenery in here. Just putting some greenery that I have on hand right in there. I'm going to open up these edges so it kind of lays down a little bit flatter. If you want, you could have the greenery peeking through a little bit. Make sure that it's nice and flat before you put the centerpiece on top. So for the sides, I have this absolutely gorgeous tea kettle. I'm going to show you. It even has a little sifter here. I'm going to put on top, but I wanted to show you the detail. This was actually from Ukraine, and look at this. The sunflower is a flower of Ukraine. And then look at the details on this, and even the handle looks like a little fence. It's just so stunning. So I'm going to put this little tea kettle on this side. To get started on my roosters, I have this beautiful, beautiful set. There's one a little smaller, and then there's this little rooster, and they're so pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them right here. And the nice thing about the hula skirt, it's going to cover my grass that's on here. Next, I'm bringing in these glass roosters, and they have peppers and all kinds of veggies on the inside. And this is the stuff that has, like, you know, oil in it. And I'm going to put one right here. And the other one is going to go right here. For our main centerpiece, I have this ceramic rooster that is absolutely gorgeous. I borrowed this from my mom, and it has little dings in it, and it has, you know, this is a very old piece, and that's what makes it rustic. It's okay that it has little dings in it. It's still super cute. I'm going to put him on a little bit of an angle, and then I have two more little pieces that are going to finish off the centerpiece. And here we go with the cutest thing on the table, and it's these sweet little chicks. It's a salt and pepper shaker, and I'm just going to put one right there and one right there. For cutlery, I'm just using my very simple cutlery, and I'm just going to put the fork on one side and the knife on the other right here. Next, I have some water glasses, and these are from Home Goods. Last, I'm going to add this little wine glass that you can obviously use for any juice you would like. But I am going to cut 4 of these little strings from my hula skirt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half and then fold it in thirds, because otherwise it's going to be too short or too long. So we have it in thirds. And then I'm going to put it right around the glass. I'm cutting where it's folded in half because I do want it to have that kind of like shabby farmhouse look to it. There you go. And just rough it up a little bit. Open it up a little bit. And there you go. To hold it in place for your dinner party, I would add just a little dab of hot glue. Just make sure that your hot glue is not Gorilla Glue, and it will come off after the party. It'll be absolutely fine, I promise.